Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and this little girl might be all cute and cuddly, but I'm telling you, she sheds like crazy. So that's why I bought this amazing brush from Atlamia, because not only does it make brushing her really easy, but honestly, the only reason I bought this was because of how easy it is to clean the brush itself. So literally, all you do is just push this button on the back and it will push all that hair to the tip of the brush, which makes it so much easier to remove all that hair at once. I actually look forward to brushing her now because it's so crazy to see the amount of loose hair that comes off of her coat every single time. And another thing I love about it is that the tips of these bristles are protected with these plastic tips. So this just makes me feel good knowing that the metal bristles are not going to scratch my baby girl. And ever since we got this, she loves being brushed now. She instantly starts purring and she actually pushes her face against the brush, asking me not to stop. So I like to brush her at least once a day to not only untangle or remove any loose hair so that way she doesn't develop any fur balls, but they say that brushing frequently can also increase blood circulation because it almost provides like a massage type feeling for them. And lastly, I really like the way that this brush is designed. I like that it has a thicker handle with a silicone grip, which makes it comfortable to hold while I'm brushing her. So if your fur baby sheds as much as mine does, I would highly recommend this self-cleaning brush because honestly, we have been through so many different brushes and this is the one brush that both of us really like. And that's our point of view.